Hello YouTube, we're back for another video with the Ninja. We're going to go over some numbers, some math. So grab your checkbook, grab your calculator, grab a piece of scrap paper, put your thinking cap on, and let's do some math together. Thumb. So, like I said, we're going to do some math today. Specifically, we're going to go over how much it costs to own a Ninja 400. Whee! So, specifically a Ninja 400. Let's get out of this parking garage first. It's kind of loud. My coworker. Oh, I hate this thing. It's like a little half-hearted incline. Oh, it's so scary. Anyway, we're on the outside, people. It's a beautiful day outside. Beautiful. Oh my god, it's so hot. Wow. So anyway, this is my 2021 Ninja 400. I bought it used with like 800 miles. Brand new, these bikes go for between like 52 and 5,900 with the ABS. I think it's like 59 with the ABS. So we're gonna round off and go to $6,000 for our numbers, for our calculations. Do a little Chicago roll right here. Coming. So anyway, I did another video on how much I pay for insurance, but just to make it easy, guys, I pay $25 to $30 a month in insurance. We're just gonna go off $30 a month. So $30 a month for insurance, and then this bike, on average, I fill up once every 3 weeks, which is only about like, we'll say once every 2 weeks when I actually drive it vigorously. We'll go off once every 2 weeks. So it's about $15 every 2 weeks, so $30. So say $60 a month for this bike for gas and insurance. 60 bucks, which is not bad. $60 a month, gas and insurance, not bad at all. By the way, this is my city. It's on an isthmus, whatever that means. I don't really know, but every restaurant here and road name is something isthmus. But there's water over here. As you can see, all the water people are out. The people that stand on boats and stand on stuff like that over there, paddle boats, and there's another big gigantic body of water over there. And then this is like a road that cuts in between the two big bodies of water. They're both separate lakes. But yeah, this is the town. But anyway, oh, it's so sunny outside. There we go. $60 a month will get me insurance and gas on this bike. Pretty consistent. $60 on the high end, honestly, because the gas, that kind of changes. The thing is the loan. So when I bought this bike, I only took a loan out for like $1,800 because I just want to have a loan on my credit score. Otherwise, I could just pay the bike off. But anyway, so this bike will cost about $60 a month, and then the bike itself, we're gonna round off and say this bike brand new costs $6,000. There's also like dealer prep fees and stuff like that might bring it up to $7,000, but we're gonna go off the base price of the bike itself. So $6,000, right? Current interest rates are about 5 to 7%. We're gonna go off 5% as well. We're gonna go off 5% for the interest rates. this bike at $6,000 a month with 5% interest rate and the 5.5% sales tax, which I expect you would pay when you buy the bike. It's only like $300. Like, you want to put down some kind of down payment. That'll bring you to $113 a month for this bike's loan for 60 months. And you're going to pay something like 15% of that in interest. Because remember, interest is compounded. So if you wanted this bike, you get no mending except for $300 to put down on the sales tax. This bike's going to cost you $113 a month plus the $60 a month I pay in insurance, about $175 a month for this bike. Oh, the Tesla! I cannot wait to get my Tesla. Right, about $175. If you put down $2,000 and you get the price down to $44,000 on a loan, you're at about $75 a month plus the $60. Right, so it's not bad, but it adds up. I was gonna go to the gym, but I don't even know which way the gym is. God damn it. We're gonna keep going this way. I think the gym is this way. But anyway, so for this bike, you have zero down. You're not paying anything down except for like $300, for example. You're gonna be about $113 a month, $175 all in every month to have a bike like this, brand new. And when I bought it, honestly, the used price is the same as the new. I think this bike was like $5,300 used, so I only saved like $500 off the new price. But I also did get to save on the dealer prep dock fees and shit. So that was kind of nice. Oh god, it's so nice now. And then yeah, that's what I pay. Now, if you go buy a bike cash, you're only gonna be paying about the $60 a month I pay, and the more you put down, the better it's gonna save you. The calculation normally adds up to, without a loan, if you take without interest, if you take a 60-month loan, for every $1,000 of that 60-month loan, you're gonna be paying $1,667. So if you take a $6,000 bike divided by 60 months, that's $100 a month. So that interest is adding $13 a month onto your bill, which is where I get that 13 to 15% overall, right? Now, say you buy a bike for like $3,000, right? Then you're gonna be at like $50, $49, $50 for the loan, plus another like $5 for interest, like $53, plus the $60, you're gonna be like $110. The more you put down, the more you're gonna save, especially in interest. But again, I don't think interest is gonna be a make it or break it on a bike like this. Like if you're like, oh man, the interest rate's 6%, it's not a car. It's not like a credit card. So it's not a lot. Interest is like you're buying a YouTube premium subscription. And if you want a bike, I don't think that interest rate should stop you. But yeah, it's $16 for every $1,000 you should estimate. You want a $10,000 bike, estimate it to be on a 60-month loan, $10,000, you're going to be $160 a month, plus interest will probably be like $182, $183 a month with the interest. So bikes are relatively cheap, and remember, we're buying this bike right off the dealership lot. If you go find a used one for like the $4,000, you won't find one for $4,000. They're used still going for like $45,000 to $5,000. But if you were to find a used one, currently going like 75 miles an hour, 7,000 RPM, so she's doing pretty well on the highway. This thing will just eat up highway miles. Comfort-wise, yeah, it can be better, but again, you're buying a sport bike, so can't really complain. Oh, another Tesla. Oh yes, daddy. Oh, I want one so bad. But yeah, that's what I pay on this bike. It is not that expensive. But you know, and it's fun. It's a good toy. It's a fun toy. And if you're using it miles to get back and forth, like I am, I rarely take it to work. Today I did take it to work, but I mean I rarely do. But you know, it's a good time. Sir, what are you doing? That is a solid little yellow, solid white lines, right? They all go left anyway. Oh, it's currently like 88 degrees. Miata! Oh my god, yes sir. Is there a bike on it? Holy shit, that guy's a monster. But that's currently what I pay on this bike. Since if you made it this far, you might as well know that I do plan on getting rid of the bike in 2 weeks. It's not the bike's fault. I love the bike, but there's gonna be a couple reasons why I get rid of it, and I'm gonna go over those in the video on why I get rid of it. But for now, we're not gonna talk about that. I'm just gonna give you guys a little bit of an update that we're gonna be getting rid of the bike. Just keep an eye out for a video on that. Oh, I'm getting toasty. Normally in weather like this, I actually wear a cut-off like tank top. I don't know if you can see me in the reflection of that Sienna. Oof. But normally I wear a cut-off tank top so I can tan easier. Cracked my visor open to get some air in, so hopefully it's not too crazy. Woo! Oh, this exhaust. Yes, sir. Yes, daddy. We are here at the gym. Let's go get some gains. Because remember, people, if women are going to use us for our bodies, we might as well give them a body worth using. There we go. But that is all. I'm going to go work out. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sirree.